Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Fool in the Shed. Today we have my brother around with his car and we're going to put some ladder racks on the back of it. So here we go. So not only do you just have one fool, today we've got two. Here's a bigger one. So giving them all a sand up, we're getting ready for paint. And you know what they say, the better the prep, the better the finish. So this is going to be pretty average. Now that we've given it a sand, we'll give it a wipe down with some wax and grease remover. Australian family owned business, this one.
What's the brand?
Concept Paints, not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
But that's what we're using.
Here we go.
So we thought about it, got smart, took everyone's advice and decided should probably hang them up to paint them. Alright, here, some other fool in his shed has gone and made a few holes here. So we're going to have to grab our bracket, bring it down, maybe drill some holes here and here. I'll measure that up and mark it. So here we go. Gonna start my bracket about a metre back from there, guys. Want him to be flush at the top. That's where we think we want it. On my mark there. There we go. We'll drill some holes there and we'll get all that fixed up. We'll do the other side, fix that up as well, and we'll be back. Alright, we're going to mark our centre point with a mark there. Just give that a tap. Thanks, Phil. Oh, settle down, mate. Yeah, you have to hit it once.
I can see the mark.
Yeah, you got a mark in there now.
Oh, good.
Do this one.
Just one, do you reckon?
Yeah. That's all you need, just so you...
Look at that. Learn something new every day.
Not learning something new every day, you're not learning. Drill some holes. Time to get drilly with it. Don't drill into your chest. Stop. Drill up.
Yep, got it. Got it. It's all good. Bigger drill bit there.
How's that go?
Take it off here, I'll film something. Lucky it hasn't got a cord on it.
Yeah, been there, done that.
Choked all up around the neck and stuff. Looks like we're doing a dance walking around each other.
Don't even know if he's real good sharp.
What's wrong with it? That did in the wrong gear, mate.
Yeah. Don't drill metal fast. Drill slow.
Perfect.
Oh. No need for dollars.
Maybe we just put some paint on that just in case it rust.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man. So good. So good.
More runs, more fun.
It's a fun run. Got the bolts on the outside with the washers. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep your nuts in your undies.
It's not square enough for me. Yeah, you try it.
That's why he come over to the man, fill in the shed, guys.
There's a Phil at home couldn't do it on his own.
Doing that flush at the top.
Flashish.
Always use your best pair of barbecue tongs, fellas.
Okay, then it tongs.
Alright, we'll get that one on. We'll do the other side and we'll be back. Alright, so we got them attached. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Got that one attached. We're gonna mount the front one and yeah, see how we go. Ah. Oh, you didn't think of that, did you?
What's that?
That's this thing.
Put your side in first. Get in underneath it.
Yeah, I think she's still annoying.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we didn't put that into consideration. That's right, let's unbolt it side forward. Minor technique. We'll get back. Fix this problem and get back to your people.
Because we lost one of the bolts, I mean, we're missing one of the bolts. Had to go in the shed and find one. We've got to put this in. Oh, there she is. She's on there, guys. Just check her out. I mind the KD26s. It's pretty good. Bit of black on black. Geez, Phil, the paint job could have been a bit better, mate.
Yeah, but it's got to match the dirty. I haven't washed in a while, so it's got to match the dirty exterior. So if the paint job's a bit rough, it blends in. It's like, let's see Foose try and do that. Yeah, that's like front yard foosing right there. That's what I call that. Blends in with the dirt and the grime. Yeah, fingerprints and stuff, you know, that's all part of the thing, you know.
Like you said, it's all blending in.
Yeah.
There you go. That was our work for today. Thank you. Alright guys, that was our project for today. He picked those up pretty cheap, second hand. We cleaned them up, slapped a bit of paint on them, threw them on the ute, and he's happy. A little rough, could be a bit better, but I've said he's happy. That's all I can say. So, yeah, if you like the video, ring the bell thing, subscribe, like, share, wherever you do that stuff. Alright, see you in the next one. Thank you.